Modern Asian 4-bedroom home na 500,000 lang po ang down payment. Baka ito na po yung hinahanap nyo. So tara, samahan nyo kami. I am RV and we're here at Greenwoods Executive Village in Pasig/Taytay area. So this house stands on a 150 square meter lot area with a floor area of 230. It's right next to one of the main streets of Greenwoods, kaya very prime din po ang location ng ating property. So this is the 2-car garage or 2-car port, partially covered. Actually, parang covered na po yung buo kasi this is the master's bedroom or the master bedroom na nasa second floor. Naka-cover na po siya sa ating 2-car garage. And then you have a pathway here papunta sa ating service area. Pero pwede rin itong gawing garden or side garden or kung ano yung mga hobby nyo, guys. Balik tayo dito sa ating front part of the house. You still have a small garden here na lagyan nyo na lang ng plants. Parang ganda. Pagkapasok mo ng pedestrian gate, napaka-inviting kapag may mga plants dito. And then you have 2 steps before your beautiful main door. So, this is our beautiful main door. So, tara, pasok tayo. And right upon entering, meron tayong foyer dito. Siguro mga 3 meters din ang ating foyer. Napakaganda kasi super napa-English na tayo ng todo-todo. So, ramdam na ramdam nyo po yung pagka-Asia ng bahay kapag may foyer pagpasok nyo. Parang mga Japanese style din. So, pwede po kayo maglagay ng ano dito. Yung small bench and then you can put your mga footwear dito para before they go inside, if you have guests or your family members, dito pa lang po nagtatanggal na ng sapatos. And then there's this is our first bedroom on our ground floor area. Yan. So, kung mapapansin nyo po, spacious ang ating ground floor bedroom. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, this is around 3 by 3. Mga 8 to 9 square meters po ito. For our ground floor bedroom, meron din tayong provision for a window type AC, and then you also have your own sliding windows here. O, diba? Napakaluwag ng ating toilet and bath. So, this is probably your senior room or kung meron kayong kailangan na guest room, this is gonna be your guest room. May sarili silang toilet and bath. You have the, ano to, ganda ng color niya. Very earthy yung color niya. So, medyo grayish-brown ang ating color ng tiles. And then, meron na rin kayong provision for the water heater. You also have the basic shower and the lavatory, the second faucet, and you also have the mirror here. Very basic, pero it gets the job done. So, from our foyer, you have the first door on the right, and then you have the second door, pero on your left naman, this is our staff room. So, for the staff room, kasha double deck, even a double bed, kasha rin. Semi-double yata yun. Double or semi-double, kasha po dyan. And then you also have the toilet and bath for your staff room or staff kumbaga maid's room, sarili silang toilet and bath. Very kumbaga spacious na ang kanilang area. So right after the foyer, we have our kitchen area on your left side. So, medyo kakaiba po. Usually, pagpasok nyo, di ba, sala agad or living room agad. Ito naman, napakagandang kitchen muna nung bubungad sa inyong mga guests. So, our kitchen is like a U-type kitchen. Most likely, the ref would be here. Side by side, mga 16, 17 cubic feet. Kasya po dito. And then, you have granite countertop on this side with the sink and faucet, and then you have parang open shelves naman dito sa ating taas, pero you still have the under cabinets dito. A cooktop and a oven. Actually, yung mga 6 burner cooktop with oven, kasyang-kasya po dito. Kasi usually ang size lang ng mga oven is about 80 cm ba? Pero this one kasi, kaya ang lapad niya, this is 1 meter. So, pwede po yung 6 burner cooktop dito. Meron naman kayong range hood, Lagermania range hood. And then you have open shelves again on this side. So, ang ganda, di ba? Pwede mong gawing display yung mga abubot mo sa kitchen. Yung mga kumpleto mo yung lahat ng mga spices. Yan. So, meron pa tayong bar counter type kitchen dito. Napakaganda kasi after mo magluto dito, nandyan yung mga anak mo, or you can also entertain your guest here. And then you have this beautiful 3 decorative lighting na saktong-sakto dito sa ating bar counter type kitchen. The size sa dalawa, siguro mga 2 meters by 1 meter po. So, maganda po ito. Malaki. Very spacious. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pwede nga mag-dine dito yung mga 5 o 6 na tao. Yan. So, napakaganda. Meron din siyang under cabinets, ha. And then, after that, ito ang ating dining area. Ang luwag, di ba? See-through. May glass kasi tayo dito. May glass wall tayo. Makikita niyo ang ating videographer na si BJ. Ayan. So, ang laking bagay po ng glass wall kasi it creates an illusion na, alam mo yun, mas malaki yung space ng ating dining area. So, pag naglagay po kayo ng round table or rectangular na siguro kahit mga 10-seater kasya dito, mas malawag pa rin yung pakiramdam mo kasi meron kang glass wall on this side. And then on your right side, meron naman tayong sliding glass door also going to your service area naman to. So mamaya na tayo pumunta dyan. Dito muna tayo sa living area, di ba? Kakaiba yung pagkaka-layout ng bahay kasi usually pagpasok mo living area. Ngayon dito, medyo hidden yung ating living room or living area. On this side, dito yung ating TV and all the other displays. And meron na rin siyang WPC wood style. So, ibig sabihin, very consistent yung pagka-modern Asia ng ating design. You also have a sliding glass door here on your right side. Ito naman yung sa ating pathway or garden, side garden. Yung tinuro po namin sa inyo kanina. Our couch will be placed here. O, di ba? Mahaba po yan. Siguro mga 4 meters, 3 to 4 meters to. So, malaking couch po yung kasya dito. Kahit pa U-type na couch, pwedeng-pwede. So, maluwag para sa mga family of 5 or 6 people. So, for our service area, ito yung katabi ng ating kitchen. Ito yung ating laundry room or laundry area. Wala tayong laundry room. And then, pwede tayong maglagay ng, if you need a dirty kitchen or service kitchen, pwede tayong maglagay dito. Okay? May canopy na rin siya. So, ibig sabihin, hindi na masyadong nababasa din ng ulan. And then, medyo maluwag pa po ito. Ang kagandahan dito, hindi naman siya exposed sa ating, kung meron man kayong guest, hindi naman exposed to. Hindi naman makikita. And then, right after that, meron po tayong water pump and Meron pa tayong bonus. May water tank pa po tayo for this property. Before heading upstairs, meron po tayong parang 2 stairs down papunta sa ating powder room. So, para po ito sa may inyong mga guest. O, di ba? Napaka-team kahoy na itong property na to. Ganda. Pero don't worry, hindi na po inaana ito kasi WPC na po ito. Wood and plastic composite. Yan, meron na tayong lavatory and sink and faucet. And then, meron din po tayong under the staircase na storage area. Pwede nyo pong palagyan ng doors to para at least hindi siya exposed. May hidden door pa dito. Ang galing oh. Na-amaze. Yung breaker nyo po, if you're trying to find it, eto po siya. So, para siyang hidden door. Pagbukas nyo, meron siyang breaker. Nandiyan ang breaker. Tara, let's head to the second floor. Welcome to our second floor. Napakaganda po ng ating windows that gives natural light to our staircase. And you have this decorative lighting na nagpapaganda po sa ating staircase. Pag-akit po natin, meron din kayong landing area or parang lounge area. This can also serve as your display area. Pwede naman may mga portrait or artwork po kayo ilagay dito. So let's head into the second bedroom. This is the second bedroom, but first bedroom on the second floor. You have ample windows, you have sliding windows here, and then meron kayong awning window magkabila. So dito nyo po ilalagay ang inyong bed para nasa gitna po siya ng dalawang windows natin. And then, meron po tayong provision for a window type AC here. Tapos, meron tayong closet. And then, pwede pa kayo maglagay dito na vanity area. Sarado lang natin to. Vanity area or TV, pwede po dito. Ang kagandahan po, may sarili rin siyang toilet and bath. Same finishes po ito nung toilet and bath natin sa ground floor. Although medyo mas maluwag po yung sa ground floor natin na toilet and bath. But this one is good enough if kung isa lang naman po yung naka-stay sa bedroom na to. Or kung kids room siya, pwede na po. Maluwag na siya. Welcome to our third bedroom. Ayan. Nice. The size is about hindi nagkakalayo po sa ating second bedroom. And then, meron din tayo, of course, the closet. Magkabila rin pong side ang ating windows. So, there's ample light. And, of course, meron po kayong source ng natural air papunta po sa loob ng ating bedroom. Then, you have also almost identical po na iba lang yung pwesto ng ating lavatory. Pero the finishes are almost the same. Kung meron na rin tayong mga shower, meron lang tayong provision for water heater. Although very basic po yung mga finishes natin, pero 'di ba? 500,000 you can buy this house then mag-loan na lang tayo. Parang rent to own na rin siya. And of course, for our finale, napakaluwag at napakalaki po ng ating master bedroom. Oh, pag sinabi mong massive, ito yun. Kahit po California king size bed, kasang-kasa po dito. Headboard would be here. And then may magkabila ka pang sliding windows dito and dito. So pwede kayong merong bedside table or actually walang closet tong master bedroom, ano. Very surprising. Baka may pa-surprise mamaya. Meron din tayong very spacious balcony. Oh, nice. This is nice. Luwag po ng balcony. partially covered na rin siya. So, optional na lang kung papadagdagan mo pa ng canopy. Pero yan, meron ka ng cover dito. And then, mahangin. Ganda po ng hangin, no? Mag-aalas 12 po ng tanghali. Pero the wind is really nice. And, yun. It's right next to one of the main streets ni Greenwood. So, very prime po yung location natin. Yan. Tsaka maluwag po siya. Magkabila, oh. Pwede kayong maglagay ng hammock dito. Or, ano pa ba? Actually, parang garden din. Pwede ka rin mag-garden dito kasi ano to? 1.5 meters. Oh, 1.5 meters po ito by probably 4 meters. Maluwag po ito. So, let's go inside. Let's check the master's toilet and bath. Napakaluwag. Napakaluwag po ng master bedroom natin pero hinahanap natin yung closet, di ba? So, ito po yung pa-surprise natin. O, di ba? Ang ganda po ng ating walk-in closet / kadugtong na po nito yung ating master's toilet and bath. Ang ganda. Oh. Husbands, dito kayo on this side ha. Medyo mas maliit pero ample space pa rin for your dito yung inyong mga suits. Dito naman, ano ba dito? Medyo mas mahaba eh. So, pwede ring dress ng wife nyo dito. Dan yung mga long sleeves nyo. And then, of course, ito yung sa kabilang side para buo. Yung sa mga wifey nyo. Kompleto yan. Isang buong side. Tapos, meron kang mga lalagyanan ng bags for her. Then, may mga pull-outs ka rin. Oh. Diba? Siyempre, yung mga alahas niya. Kayo, yung mga Rolex na binili nyo kay Hybe, pwede rin dito. Diba? Another watch, another day. Paring Hybe, shout out. And then, meron pa po tayong ceiling fan with lights na very Asian po ang ating peg. So, pagkagaling po sa ating walk-in closet, diretso po tayo sa laki po nating toilet and bath. Oh, nice! Oh, meron po kayong shower area. And then you also have a single tub here. Siyempre, kasya na kayong mag-asawa dyan. Maluwag na yan. Usually naman, pag nag-uusap lang kayo dito, diba? Tahimik yung buhay. And then, of course, you have a double sink here and a big mirror here. So, malaki na po yung CR nyo or yung master's toilet and bath. 1, 2, probably 3 by 4. So, around 12 square meters. Pero dahil may ganito, it feels a lot bigger dahil ang laki po ng mirror natin. Then, meron po tayong sliding windows dito para may sarili po or may natural exhaust po ang ating master's toilet and bath. Napakaganda po. Quick recap lang tayo guys for this amazing modern Asian 4-bedroom home in Greenwoods Executive Village in Pasig / Taytay area. So the house stands on a 150 square meter lot area with a floor area of 230. It has 4 bedrooms, 4 toilet and bath. You also have a staff room with its own toilet and bath. You have 2-car garage and sobrang consistent po nung Asian nung peg ng ating bahay. But the best part is the original selling price of this house was 18.5 million. Now, it's just 17.3 million. Mas mababa na po ng 1.2 million. And, nasabi ko na yung best part pero may mas best pa. Bestest part. 500,000 lang po ang ating required down payment for this amazing 4-bedroom home. So, ano pa pong hinihintay nyo? Please call us on the number below. You can also reach us through our social media pages. Halos araw-araw na po kami nagpo-post ng deals dyan sa aming TikTok, Facebook, and Instagram. RV Realty PH. We also reached 7,000 subscribers. So maraming salamat sa lahat ng nag-subscribe. And sa mga hindi pa po nagsasubscribe, parang 20% lang sa inyong subscribe sa amin. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Turn on the notification bell para ma-update po namin kayo when we have new videos. Maraming salamat. See you on the next one. God bless.